Okay, so we will learn about expansion and simplifying related to the algebraic expression. Now, based on my own definition, I would say expansion is about deleting or removing bracket. Okay, by what? By multiplying terms. So for example, if I have like 3 bracket x plus 5, then how to like expand it is by deleting the bracket here. Now by doing what? By doing the multiplication. Okay, the 3 times x, that one become 3x, and then 3 times 5 there, and then plus 15. Now you know already this one is called as a distributive law. Okay, now that one. Okay, and then after that, simplifying. Basically simplifying, shorten the expression. Okay, you know that one. By doing what? By adding, subtracting like terms. Okay, agree with that one? Now, what is the meaning of like terms? Okay, like terms is like there are 2 terms, 3 terms or more that has the same variable. So for example, like 3x and x, they are like terms. Or for example, 3x minus 2x, both of them like terms because all of them has the same variable. But if I have like 3x and minus 2y, both of them are not like terms because the first term has variable x and then the second term has variable y. So you cannot do the addition or subtraction for these 2 terms. Okay, I hope that you don't have any problem with that one. The other thing that you need to know before I start on discussing these 3 questions is multiplication. If it's a plus times negative, the result will be negative. If it's negative times plus, the result is negative. If it's plus times plus, that one will be plus. And then negative times negative will be plus. Okay, you need to remember about this one. Plus times negative, negative. Negative times plus, negative. Plus times plus, plus. Minus times minus is equal to positive or plus. Okay, now we observe the first questions. Okay, 3x minus bracket x plus 2. Now, the question is about you need to expand and simplify this algebraic expression. First of all, before you simplify it, you need to expand. Expand means you will delete the bracket over here by doing what? Multiplication, right? Now, even it's only minus in front of the bracket, but actually there is like a hidden number there. Minus 1 there. Okay, so if there is no number, okay, only an operator sign, actually there is a number. Okay, that one will be plus, a hidden one, because that one is not important. Now, I want you to expand this one. Now, using the distributive law, the outside, you multiply it with the first term that available in the bracket. So, minus 1 times x. Okay, that one will be minus x, right? Because minus times plus is negative, and 1 times x is x. Okay, and then after that, the outside number, you multiply it with the next term, which is the second term. Minus 1 times plus 2. So minus times plus is minus. 1 times 2 is 2. So that one will be minus 2. Okay, and then copy the first term there. Okay, 3x. Now, we need to simplify it. Okay, how to simplify it? Look, is there any like terms? Yes. there is 3x, there is minus x. Now 3x minus x are the same term because they are or like terms because both of them using the x as a variable. Now what will be the result of this one? You can simplify it. This one become 2x, and then okay, that one already, and then minus 2. So that's the answer. Now the second one is minus bracket x minus y plus 2. Okay, now how to solve it? Again, look, there's a minus there, but it doesn't mean like after the minus there is no number. Actually there is 1. Okay, because without or with 1, the meaning is still the same. Okay, now how to like simplify this one? Well, before you simplify, you need to expand it first because there is a bracket. Expansion means deleting the bracket, so let's go. The outside, you times it with the first term. Minus 1 times x, that one will be minus x. Minus 1 times minus y. Look, minus times minus. So that one will be plus. Okay, 1 times y is y. So plus y. Minus 1 times the third term. After you're done with the second term, you go to the third term. Minus 1 times 2. Minus plus is minus. 1 times 2 is 2. So this is, can we simplify it anyway? No, because this one and this one is not alike terms. Look, the first one using x, the second one using y, and this one is a constant. So basically, you cannot simplify it. So this is the answer. Okay, the third one. Okay, this one is a little bit more complex compared to the other two questions. Okay, there is an outer bracket. So the square bracket here, I call it as a square bracket, is an outer. And the usual bracket, a common bracket, that one is an inner bracket. Now, if you have something like this one, you need to deal with the inner bracket first. And then follow with the outer one. So, number 1, number 2. Okay, now where's the inner bracket? Okay, the inner bracket is this. Okay, we need to expand this one. The second inner bracket will be this one. We need to expand that one first. Okay, so I will copy the questions is 2. Okay, look. Okay, the first inner bracket, that one. Okay, 3 times x, that one will be 3x. Okay, 3 times the second term, okay, or that one is called as a constant, minus 2 times 3, that one will be minus 6. We're done with the first inner brackets. Now we go to the second one. Look, there's a minus, but there is no number. Don't be panic. Actually, there is a number there. It's like 1. Okay, now you multiply it. Minus 1 times x, that one will be minus x. And then after that, minus 1 times plus 2, that one will be minus 2. Okay, closing bracket. And then my question is, can we simplify the algebraic expression that are available inside the outer bracket? Yeah, we can. Why? Because there are like terms there. Look, they are like terms, right? 3x and minus x. Both of them using the same variable x. Now, 3x minus x, okay, like this, done. And then after that, there is another one, is a constant. The constant we can add it, right? Because both of them are a whole number. So, minus 6, minus 2. This one is called as a, if you want to know, this one called as a grouping like term. Okay, now after that you do the addition and the subtraction. Look, 3x minus x, that one will be 2x. Okay, minus 6 minus 2, that one will be minus 8. Okay, now are we done here? Well, basically no, because there is still a bracket, so we still can expand it, right? So expand it. Okay, distributive law again. This one become 4x. And the last one there, that one will be minus 16. Okay, I hope that you do understand about this. Thank you.